I'm here again with my colleague Ben Andrus, and we've developed this gallery viewer that you can put just about any content. We're using books here as our content, and I'm going to illustrate how this works. It's using the Xbox Kinect for Windows. And basically, we have it to where it's scrolling images, and when a user comes up and they step in front of the Kinect, you will see a silhouette, and they will stand still. The Kinect will recognize them and tell them to lift their hand to start. And as they lift their hand, you'll see this little hand here, and they'll go ahead and press the tile, and it will start the gallery. And from here, you can go ahead and select tiles. I will go ahead and select a panel cover. And here we have a book cover that we scanned with our Book Eye scanner, and it's really high resolution, and it's really large image. So what the user can do is they can make a fist, and they will grab the cover, and they can slide it over as they're scrolling. And they can move around, and they can look from each corner of the cover. And then if I want to go back, I just have my hand here, and I just press on the back arrow, and it will take me back to the main menu. And then from here, I will click on a book cover art. And again, here it has some content that we put that is not necessarily from the book. And if I make a fist, I can scroll up and down by grabbing the page and moving it up and down. And if I want to go ahead and look at the cover, again, I press on the tile, and it will bring up the cover. If I want to go back, I just press on the X. And other things that we've incorporated is you can have text-to-speech, which is this icon here, and you should
leaders eagerly anticipated the attention that hosting the world's
read back the content for you.
Yet they could not have predicted the arena of conflicts that would play out before the eyes of the world during the notorious 1968 Mexico City Olympics.
And then if I want to go back, I just go to the back arrow. And here we can also, if there's video content that you want to play, you can go ahead and click on it, and we'll start the video. And then as the user's watching the video, they can go ahead and raise their hand, and they can click on the pause to pause the video. And if you want to resume it, they just press it again. And again, if they want to go back, there is the back arrow. So our thought process here is basically there are endless possibilities. You can play video, you can have the scrolling, cover, images. It's whatever content you want to provide. We can also develop it to where a person can swipe their hand, and there will be multiple tiles. They could just scroll along, and they could choose other tiles. So you can have 50, 100. It doesn't matter how much content you have. And then when the user is done, they just step away from the field of view, and the system will just time out and go back to the scrolling of the images. And then the next user can come up, and they will just stand in front of it, and again, they can start the whole process. It'll say, lift your hand to start, and they will press on the tile.